Okay guys, welcome to day 20 for your math NTI. For this packet, I've tried to introduce some new concepts, some things that we would be doing if we were at school. So the first thing that we're going to be learning about in this packet is your exponent properties. And this page discusses the product property. So I'm going to give you a little instruction during this video to help you. If you are doing IXL, you will also have an assignment that talks about the product property, okay? So product means multiplication. So you'll notice on all of these problems there are times signs in between because these are multiplication problems. What you can do is you can expand them out or you can use a shortcut. So I'm going to show you both ways and then we're going to talk about using the shortcut. So 3 to the 4th power means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, a total of 4 times. 3 to the 2nd power means 3 times 3, twice. So if I'm multiplying both of those together, all I'm really doing is looking at 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. There's a total of 6 of them. So the shorter way to write that is 3 to the 6th power. Now you could do that all along these, but look at some of these. 10th power, 11th power. I don't know about you, but I don't really want to write 11 sevens. So my shortcut, and it explains it up here, is to just keep the base and add the exponents. So if I look at 4 and 2, and I add them together, 4 plus 2 would equal 6. Gives me 3 to the 6th power. So that's all you're doing is keeping the base, which is the large number, and adding the two exponents together. When you get down to the bottom here, there are some variables. It's the exact same thing. I keep the base, which is the x, and I add the 2 and 3 together to give me 5. Down here, they've got 3 sets of powers. Same thing. Keep the m and add your exponents. This one's a little tricky. You can notice that there are different letters. So I've got some H's and some K's. I cannot add all of these together. In the description it says the bases have to be the same. So what I can do is I can rearrange this to put the H's together and put the K's together, almost like terms. So then I'm able to add the 4 and 5, and I'm also able to add the 2 and 3, but that's all I can do. Because the H and K are not the same base, I have to stop. So let me know if you have any questions. IXL is going to be exactly the same if you're choosing to do that online. If you haven't gotten your new login information for IXL, let me know. All right, thanks guys.